I would say the Grace Hill of today is focused more on overall performance and performance of the people. So we really focus on how do we enable, encourage, and provide resources and information and analytics and data to the person performing the real estate, whether that's the C-level, or that's the regional, or that's the site team. How does training fit with policies? How does the survey results feed that information? How does our mystery shopping data feed? What all can we bring together, serve up in a consolidated, cohesive manner to then let the regional or the C-level or even the site person, the site manager, or anybody there make decisions? So can we recommend actions or training or policies to read, or resident services or things like that that can really help? Because there is so much data coming at us right now. Wading through or logging on to all the different platforms to then correlate or consolidate the data is very difficult. And yes, we can use AI, and yes, there's lots of things, and we do. Grace Hill does, certainly engage in that. Anecdotally, what we've always said in real estate is your best people perform the best, you're best informed. And so that's what we're trying to do, is really inform and equip the people performing the duties so that they can really run the real estate in the way it needs to be run. We want to sit outside your PMS&B Switzerland, because we think we can bring best in class in some of these other tools that some of the other platforms don't have. I would say the impact of technology is amazing from start to finish, from the prospect journey, from how the prospect gets to you. How many prospects now look at the communities on site or online before they even come on site? That has been a significant change. So by the time they get there, they've seen you, they know, they're just checking it out. That's an amazing shift. How you process their application is a complete other path that's sped things up for the site team. How your residents interact with you now is so much more online. So I'd say the way technology has impacted the prospect and resident journey, and then we in the management side have had to really react to that and to kind of keep up and check in and know to where are people talking to us, where are the residents talking to us all. Then there's the whole AI question. I think we're at the very first edge of how that's really going to impact the business and the industry. There are people that think that we will only talk to our phones going forward. And then there are people that will say, no, the on-site, you still can't use AI to unclog a toilet. That's probably coming, but there are still people needed. So it's going to be interesting to see how, just the use of AI and machine learning and all the things really impact our industry. I think remote work to the site team has always been that it's some more challenging to do that remotely, because sometimes you need to be physically there, but some of that work now can be pulled off. So maybe that can change a little bit. And corporately, since COVID, we've all learned what we can do remotely and through features like Zoom, and the Real Link app has a live tour capability where now I don't even need to be at the property to tour someone. I can feed them videos that we've taken that can show the property. So it's happening, it's coming. We've all seen it. We all tour Airbnbs before we go see them. We do that all virtually. So it's here. It's just what tools help us do it the best. So I think the culmination of the data is really critical. And I hear customers talking about they're trying to do it themselves and pulling all the data from all the sources. And that's really where we're headed, is we have all the data, we've pulled it all together, and now we're going to give you recommendations and information about what to do about that. What do you do about Joe? Or what do you do about Bob? Or what do you do about the property? What is this telling you about the property that I can give you the answer quickly? The insights that Grace Hill can provide to you can give you some answers, or about, do people with balconies stay longer? Or if the site team has done training and has read these particular policies, their engagement is higher and their tenure is longer. I mean, there's all these kinds of things now that we can begin to correlate and drive tenure of your employees, tenure of your residents, predict, behavior. So it's really pretty exciting when you start thinking about, can this help us make better decisions?